2012 Chevy Silverado 1500. Ford crew cab, 4-door. It's got the factory converters there and there. Then it goes into a 2 1/4 tailpipes into a Y pipe. Then it's got the dreaded third cat that everybody hates. Then 3-inch pipe all the way back. And what we did on it, you know, the usual duals with FLOWMASTer Super 10 part number 8425152. You'll see a link in the description for it. And then 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back straight. That's how you like. A lot of people like them. They sound good like that. Into 4-inch rolled tips. We'll have a link in the description for those also. We took off this massive 70 series FLOWMASTer off of it because it wasn't making any noise. So there it is. It's his company's old truck that his dad runs, and he bought it off him. So he said, I want louder, so we got it done for him. That's how you duel them out. Let you guys hear it in a second. And in good old Tennessee, it's snowing. Snow. Much better. Oh, yeah. With the snow backdrop, oh my God. The snow makes it even better. Again. And then you got the sound decibels. Give it gas. $99. Not bad. Look at that snow backdrop. Welcome winter. Hopefully it snows on Christmas, guys. That's what we're hoping for. Usually never snows in the 1st of December, late November actually. So it's pretty cool. Something different. Sorry about the wind. Try to block it. Okay, now it sounded nice. LED tail lights. Really nice truck. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Silverado